Nice. Okay, so I'm going to go over this checkpoint. So today we did a checkpoint in class. And most of the kids, I really tried to go over all the problems and tell them if they were right or wrong. Most classes I used a highlighter and I put little check marks on the ones that were right when they walked out of my class. Well, not many of them had them perfect, so that's where I'm at. Okay, so I'm on this checkpoint. Looks like this at the top. Here we go. I'm going to work them out. Okay, so I start out with 15 over 2. I got to get this would be 5/4. Keep, change, flip because it's division. Okay, me personally, I would simplify this and this by 2, this by 5, and this by 5, giving me 6 over 1, which is 6. Okay, there's number 1. Number 2 on the paper is 3 5/8 times 7 1/2. Okay. 29/8 times 15 halves. Okay, what a lot of people got wrong was the multiplying of 29 times 15, which is 435 over 16. Next step, divide that into the 435. Gives you 26 and 14/16. Nope, wrong one. I'm on the wrong one. Woo, back up. Okay, gives you 27. So let me show you the math here. Let's see. 435 divided by 16 to so it is 27 and 3/16. 27 and 3/16. Whew, that took me a minute. Okay. Number 3. It is 2 1/10 divided by 1 1/5. Okay, 21/10 divided by 6/5. Keep 21/10. Change to multiply. Flip to 5/6. Okay, simplify it. 3's. So I get 7 over 4, which is 1 3/4. Whew, okay. Number 4. 4 1/2 divided by 2 7/10. Keep 9 halves, change to multiply, flip to 10 27s. Now right here, all I'm doing is a bunch of simplifying. 9 goes into 9 once, 9 goes into 27 3, 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 10 5, leaves me with 5/3, which is 1 2/3. Interesting. Okay, number 5. Remember, you can pause this if you are watching it and want to slow down. 4 3/5 times.
It is now time for third round buses to be dismissed.
12 1/2.
Third round buses may be dismissed.
6. Okay, on the worksheet is written this way, 3/11ths of 36. Okay, to set it up, keep the 3/11ths. Of means multiply 36 over 1. Now, if you can simplify, you do. This one you can't. So, you get 108 over 11 and ends up being 9 and 9/11ths. Okay. Number 7. It says, how many 3/4 foot lengths of pipe can be cut from a 6.5 foot pipe? Okay, so if you have that question, the big thing we're trying to chop up is a 6.3 foot pipe. And we're dividing it into 3/4 sections. So, they're going to get 8 4/9 pieces. Okay. On number 8, Stacy used 50 blocks to make the tower pictured below. Exactly 3/5 of the blocks will be painted red. What is the total number of blocks that will not be painted red? Okay. Basically on these, it's got to be fraction of a whole, like of a number. I call it a whole number, but it's not always. Okay, so the fraction they're working with is 3/5. Of means multiply, and they have 50 blocks. Now, that is the set that are red. Whatever we come up with here is red. So, 3/5 times 50 over 1 . So 30 blocks are red. But the question is, how many blocks are not red? So if the total blocks are 50, 30 are red, that means 20 are not red. Are not red. Okay, 9 and 10, the reciprocal. Okay, on 9, the reciprocal of 5/13, all reciprocal means is flip it over. So the reciprocal is 13/5. Easy as that. Don't simplify, just leave it that way. Okay, the reciprocal of 4 5/8 on number 10. First, you do have to change it to improper. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 5, 37/8. Okay, that is what it equals improper. Now, reciprocal means flip it over, 8/37. That is your reciprocal. Hopefully you have finished this assignment and have it perfect and beautiful for me. Thank you.